I'm Anna McPherson and welcome to our latest listing at 59 Larnach Street in Zilzie. Situated on a 647 metre square allotment with side access to the 4-bay shed, this double-storey brick home with dual living and panoramic ocean views will impress. So let's head on in and have a look. Offering open plan living on each level of the home, I absolutely love how the galley style kitchen flows through to the living, dining and entertaining. I'm absolutely obsessed with the plethora of entertaining options on offer at this property, but my favourite feature has to be the wraparound sea view balcony. Offering ample extras throughout and more than meets the eye, 59 Larnach Street in Zilzie is a fabulous lifestyle opportunity. If you would like to know more about this property, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself. We'd love to show you through.